Is your garage stuck good? Not doing what it should? Give us a call.